So the average monthly premium for medical insurance was, so this is in the past, $750 in the year 2000. And the average monthly premium now, so that's in 2023, is $1,250. So let's just say this is 2023. Find the absolute change. The absolute change is the new value, which is $1,250 minus $750, which is equal to $500. So that's the absolute change. And remember that the absolute change can be negative, and it would be negative if the new value is less than the reference value. Now let's find the relative change. So it's the new value, which is 1,250, and we are looking at it in reference to the old value, which is $750, the whole divided by 750 times 100%. Now you can enter everything into your calculator. The one thing you need to be careful about is making sure that when you enter it into your calculator, you put parentheses around the numerator. And this is roughly equal to 67%. So it's a 66.67%. So that's 67% if you enter the numbers correctly into your calculator. Now, if you forget the parentheses, you're going to get something completely different and incorrect. So make sure you have parentheses around the numerator when you enter it into your calculators. So the relative change here is positive because the change is an increase in this case. So when we look at the reference value and the new value has increased with respect to the reference value, and that's why it's positive. But if there was a decrease in value, the new value, then the relative change would be negative.